Hi mga miloves! Sorry, naantok talaga ako. Welcome to my vlog! And ayan, pupunta tayo sa recognition ng aking pamangkin here in Emirates Institute of Finance. Let's go! Super tirik ng araw guys, di ko carry. And ayan, for the waiting area tayo at hindi tayo makakapasok sa loob. Only students and parents are allowed inside. So, sa tita nani muna tayo for today's video. Ay, say. Gusto niyo pumila. At dahil wala kami magawa, nagpicture na lang kami kahit tirik ang araw. Ayan, tambay lang sa baba.
Where's Say?
Super bored na kami nito. Ala, sige, libutin ng waiting area. Buti na lang air condition dito. Thank you pa rin. Ayun, so much fun sa baba. So much laro here and there. Ikabu muna kami. Sobrang inip ko na guys. Kailangan ko nang umakyat. Ayan, sinama ko na si Say. Nagkaroon na lang kami sa taas. And we tried to make silip-silip. Sakto naman si Kuya Wint na malapit na siya. Yun lang. Nung malapit na siya, nakatulog itong batang ere.
Academic Excellence Awardee.
Hey! Congratulations, Kuya Wint! I'm so proud of you! Ayan, nakapasok tayo guys kasi kinuha na ni Kuya Luay ang kanyang Junakis.
University, there lies the seed of an equivalent advantage. And every defeat is a lesson showing you how to win the victory next time.
We conclude our recognition live. This has been Urban Santos. Bilipan niya?
Yay! We're done! Congratulations everyone! Bye-bye!
You may now proceed to your respective exits.